The Unveiling Saga of Isuzu Motors, Ascent to Automotive Prominence. Get ready for an exhilarating ride through the dynamic history of Isuzu Motors. A journey that traces the evolution of a company from manufacturing Wolseley cars to becoming a powerhouse in commercial vehicles and SaaS. In this exploration, we aim to answer the compelling question, how did Isuzu get so big? From iconic trucks like the A-Series to the versatile mods, join us as we rev through the gears and unveil the driving forces behind Isuzu's ascent in the automotive realm. 1. From Wolseley to Isuzu, the early years of diversification. Our journey begins in the early 20th century, when Tokyo, Ishikawajima Shipbuilding and Engineering Co. diversified into automotive production. We explore the early years of collaboration with Wolseley Motors and the establishment of Isuzu as a brand. Join us in uncovering the diverse origins that set the stage for Isuzu's automotive legacy. 2. Commercial trucks take center stage, the birth of the Isuzu Elf. Isuzu establishes itself as a leader in commercial vehicles with the introduction of the Isuzu Elf in the 1950s. We delve into the innovative design and efficiency that mark the Elf as a game-changer in the trucking industry. Join us in appreciating the early success that paved the way for Isuzu's dominance in the commercial truck market. 3. Isuzu, Gemini and Piazza venturing into passenger vehicles. Isuzu ventures into the passenger vehicle market with models like the Isuzu, Gemini and Piazza. We explore the design and technological innovations that define Isuzu's approach to compact cars and sports coupes. Join us in celebrating Isuzu's expansion into diverse automotive segments. 4. Diesel engine expertise powering the globe. Isuzu gains global recognition for its diesel engine expertise. We delve into the development of efficient and durable diesel engines that power not only Isuzu vehicles, but also a wide range of industrial and commercial applications worldwide. Join us in understanding how Isuzu's engines became synonymous with reliability and fuel efficiency. 5. In series trucks, the backbone of industries worldwide. The Isuzu A-Series trucks become the backbone of industries globally. We explore how these versatile and robust trucks revolutionize the way goods are transported, showcasing Isuzu's commitment to delivering reliable commercial solutions. Join us in appreciating the impact of the A-Series on logistics and transportation. 6. Trooper and Rodeo, Isuzu's SAA mastery. Isuzu asserts its dominance in the SAA market with models like the Isuzu Trooper and Rodeo. We delve into the rugged design and off-road capabilities that define Isuzu's SAA lineup. Join us in celebrating Isuzu's mastery in creating SAAs that excel in both urban and adventurous terrains. 7. Isuzu Max, the evolution of a pickup legend. The Isuzu Max emerges as a pickup legend, combining durability and performance. We explore the design philosophy and technological advancements that contribute to the D-Max's success. Join us in reliving the evolution of the D-Max as it becomes a global player in the pickup truck segment. 8. Strategic alliances navigating global markets. Isuzu strategically forms alliances to navigate global markets. We delve into partnerships with other automotive giants, including collaborations with General Motors and more. Join us in understanding how these collaborations contribute to Isuzu's global presence and technological advancements. 9. Ascender and Ascent venturing into the U.S. market. Isuzu ventures into the U.S. market with models like the Isuzu Ascender and Ascent. We explore the design elements, features, and innovations that make these models stand out in the competitive American automotive landscape. Join us in appreciating Isuzu's efforts to establish a footprint in the U.S. 10. Isuzu in motorsports, conquering challenges. Isuzu proves its mettle in motorsports, conquering challenges in events like the Dakar Rally. We delve into Isuzu's participation in off-road racing and the development of vehicles that excel in extreme conditions. Join us in celebrating Isuzu's adventurous spirit on and off the road. 11. Forward embracing the future of mobility. Isuzu embraces the future of mobility with advancements in electric and alternative fuel technologies. We explore Isuzu's commitment to sustainability and its vision for creating vehicles that align with evolving environmental standards. Join us in understanding how Isuzu is shaping the future of transportation. 12. Cultural impact. Isuzu in pop culture and beyond. Isuzu's impact extends beyond the automotive realm into pop culture. We explore how Isuzu vehicles become featured in movies, television, and cultural references. Join us in celebrating the cultural significance of Isuzu on a global scale. 13. Community engagement driving together beyond dealerships. Isuzu fosters a sense of community among its enthusiasts. We delve into how Isuzu engages with its passionate fan base, from organizing events to supporting community initiatives. Join us in celebrating the camaraderie and shared passion that define the Isuzu community. 14. Future horizons navigating the automotive landscape. As we conclude our exploration, we turn our attention to the future. We examine the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Isuzu in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Join us in contemplating how Isuzu is positioned to continue its legacy of innovation and success. Conclusion. Like the hum of a powerful engine or the resilience of a commercial truck, Isuzu's journey echoes with innovation, versatility, and a commitment to delivering vehicles that meet the diverse needs of industries and individuals. Subscribe for more rides through the realms of automotive evolution, innovation, and the open road. Arigato gozaimasu, and until the next turn in Isuzu's exhilarating journey unfolds, may your own drives be as robust and dynamic as the evolution of Isuzu Motors. As we bring this exciting ride through Isuzu's history to a close, the echoes of innovation continue. Subscribe to join us on future journeys through the highways of success and exploration of the automotive landscape. Arigato gozaimasu, and may your drive toward success be as powerful and enduring as the journey of Isuzu Motors.